Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you are currently selling in offline stores, consider selling online to increase your online presence. Hi, my name is Viral Jain and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you are coming for the first time on my channel and you're wondering what I do, hi, I am Amazon expert and I talk about business and entrepreneurship. If this is something that truly intrigues you, then click in the link below and subscribe to my channel. So today's topic is going to be a very popular request by so many subscribers asking me, hey, is it the right time to start selling on Amazon post-COVID? Yes, this is today's topic. So stay tuned and we are going to cover, is this the right time to launch your Amazon business post-COVID? The number one reason is, if you see online, there is a huge influx of traffic post-COVID. Do you truly remember when was the last time that you had gone for shopping? No, right? Because new shopping habits are being formed. If you just remember, nobody used to buy online who were at the age of 40 or more. But due to COVID, you are forced to buy online. That is the reason for the first time, many people around the globe were acquainted, had experienced what the convenience is, how the online shopping works, and people who are skeptical, they now became confident. And once you understand and you get the convenience, don't you think people will continue to have the same habits? So after consistently so many months, now people have developed the habits of people who were not even using online. Now they are considering purchasing only from online. That is the number one reason why you should be thinking of getting your business started online, because of influx of traffic which is there post-COVID. Reason number two, due to lockdown, a lot of businesses which were doing offline sales have been hampered dramatically. Retail shops have been shut down. Offline businesses have come to stand still. Imagine if you were someone who is into offline businesses, so many fixed expenses have been incurred by you, and it was almost impossible for any retailer to continue with their staff and still make money. So if you were someone who had shifted to online base, at least you should have got a lot of sales coming in and you would have liquidated your stock which was still lying in the offline space. So number two is very important, that retail business is fine, but you should always have little bit online presence, because you never know. And this pandemic is not going to stop over here. We all know it is now a part of our life and not something that is going to go forever. So online presence is very important, especially if you have a lot of stock going on. Digital presence is a must. The third and the most important reason is, India is growing at a massive rate. Do you know e-commerce in the world is growing at 1,000%, and in India it is growing at a whooping 500%. And that means that India is going to be one of the top locations for so many e-commerce sellers to sell their products. Now imagine if you are right now entering the market in such a peak time, or when the journey is just going to begin, what is going to happen? You can get a lot of hold and you will become matured seller and dominate the market as the market grows more and more mature. Now you have to also understand, with huge opportunities also comes huge competition. So if you enter this market later on, the problem is going to be, it's going to be very difficult for you to compete and also crush big sellers who have got the advantage long back before you have even stepped into the game. So this is one of the very important reasons why you should be considering selling online on Amazon, because e-commerce is growing at a very amazing rate. So if you truly want to venture out or just get started on Amazon, this is an amazing business which doesn't even require any of the compliances. It's super easy to get started. All you need is your laptop and some money in your bank deposit to find the product. I hope you have got immense value from this video. If you want to know more about how to sell on Amazon and various aspects of Amazon, keep watching my video and click on the subscribe button below to get notification whenever I launch or issue a new video. Until then, keep selling and keep crushing. I'll see you in the next video.